In working towards differentiated instruction, this video focuses on a few strategies to support the educational outcomes of Year 8 student Tennille Walker, who has a reading age of 9 years. In our hypothetical lesson, students are conducting research on the Holocaust, exploring texts within a teacher-created intranet folder to answer a set of questions. Understanding that our student will have trouble reading the material, here are some strategies to make the task easier. Firstly, a class discussion reiterating previous lesson content and student knowledge of the Holocaust will activate prior knowledge and provide context, two necessary ingredients for successful comprehension. Coupling this with an explicitly taught list of some key specialised vocabulary that Tennille is about to encounter will help her move through the texts. The original creation of the folder is designed so there are a range of texts of varying difficulty and length, most of which have accompanying appropriate photographs. This aims to cater to all students. If Tennille wishes to engage in a larger text, she is also allowed to use Text Compactor to make it more manageable, and this is a tool which Tennille has previously been taught. For Tennille to engage successfully with the task requires careful scaffolding. In this instance, we're using a data chart, coupled with teacher modelling and paired group activity. The data chart is a handy tool that engages Tennille as a text user, engaging her in predictive activities, providing clear structure with visual organisation, getting her to summarise, evaluate, and write key points in her own words through guided practice. These are strategies that allow Tennille to showcase her movement towards outcomes while engaging her in levels of higher order thinking that are necessary for quality learning. To support this, a guide to fate strategy is utilised, where the teacher models the data chart activity with a text and then has students work on the activity in groups of 2, matching students of varied abilities. The teacher will be moving about the room, helping where needed. Group work is crucial for a quality learning environment. The first benefit here for Tennille is that due to her poor attendance, she is probably already behind in terms of unit content. Performing the research activity in a pair allows her to access the knowledge of a partner, enabling engagement. As Tennille may struggle, her partner's help will allow her to extend and build her abilities through the zone of proximal development. Learning is a social process. By implementing high expectations, encouraging student social support, self-regulation, and direction, Teal has a much greater chance of extending her abilities and actually engaging in the content. Assessing Tennille's progress can be achieved by individual discussion as the teacher moves about the room. Engaging in substantive communication, utilising an oral form of diagnostic assessment, caters to Tennille's abilities. Probing questions can create a dialogue which showcases a deep understanding Tennille may not yet be able to communicate through writing. At the end of this lesson, Tennille will have engaged in differentiated instruction that will have helped to demonstrate unit outcomes as well as develop several of our general capabilities.